Carl the Madman here. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Well, I'm going to head down to the shop and pull out the 1982 GSX 400 Suzuki and pull it out and bring it up here because that's not my project. I'm going to start working on the 1982 Honda CM250. That's my project. So get that Suzuki out. Oh, then I still got one light to hang, I guess. Then we'll get that Honda in there. All right, well, now I'm at work, and after work tonight, I'm gonna head out to the shop and hang that light. So I was just chatting with a guy here and got given a motorcycle with a parts bike. I can't remember exactly what year it was. I know his bike, though, from years ago. It's like a 250 Honda XL or an XR, one or the other, somewhere in the 80s. Perfect. Home sweet home. Well, I hang up that other light, and well, we'll see. That might be all that happens tonight. We'll see. All right, lights are installed. I got lots of light in here now. This is great. This is great. Maybe we'll pull the bike in. My bad. I've been calling this thing a 1982 all this time. It's a 1983, as you can see. Well, I think I'm going to call it. We'll start stripping her down in the next episode.